Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we are going to show you guys how to do some more cool things. Well, today's not that cool. It's pretty easy. I'm sure you guys have seen a bunch of Toyota Tacoma trucks. This one's a, what is this thing? It's a Tacoma Prerunner V6. It's a 1314. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the taillight and put a new one in. I'm sure you bang them up all the time. This is already banged up. But since we're doing the video today, we're going to show you guys how to take the taillight off. I don't have a new one yet. Reman one, my cost was like 110 bucks, so it's not that bad. They asked me if it was LED or not. This one's LED. So grab number 10. You got 110 over here and 110 over here. All the lights is blinding me, but and then I have a yank on it here because obviously it's got the little nubs that go in here. So and then a little plug right here. Come on, Toyota. Push right here, and it pulls out. I'm not going to put it back in because it is completely roached. A new one will be here tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys how to put it back in. Plug this back into here. This also goes for changing taillight bulbs and stuff. You can just, turn them. Whoa, this one's LED, I forgot. I think the top one's a bulb. Yeah, top one's a bulb. And they pop right back into the spot and turn over. But this plugs into here. And then these guys, right here. And make sure these guys go into this as you're putting it in. You can see it from here. This nub to that and this nipple to that. Make sure that those two go in. And then that's it. And then put your two 10s in back here. One here and one here. That's how you remove and replace and reinstall a taillight on one of these Toyota Tacomas. And I'm almost positive that all the Toyotas are like this, or better yet, I'm safe to say most trucks in this generation are the same way. I'm gonna put these back in here so I don't lose them. But we gotta wait for the parts to show up tomorrow. So for now, I'll just put it back in. There you go. That's how you guys install a taillight. So if you like what you see, subscribe to us, and we're gonna tear the whole front of this car apart. Probably not today. We're gonna try. Thanks, guys. Comment below. Have a good day.